Sometimes I just need to know you're still there. Even when I feel lost, just love me.
When the world turns away, you're the light I see. Even when I run, you still run to me.
I fall down daily, but you lift me high. I don't understand why you never say goodbye.
I've let you down more times than I can count, but you still hold me close. Lord, I'm crying out. Love me, never leave me. Stay close when I can't find my way. Hold me, don't forsake me. I need you more with every day. Your grace is all I have, so love me and never walk away.
You see my scars and still call me child. You wait so patiently, so meek, so mild.
I search for comfort in broken things, but only your love truly gives me peace.
Even when silence feels loud, even when tears fall like rain, you're still the whisper in my soul, calling me back again.
Love me, never leave me. Don't let me face this world alone. Guide me, restore me. Bring this prodigal back home. Your mercy's all I have, so love me and never let me go. Lord, you love me first. Please never leave.